braided my hair, and I just did a crazy part that way it could look a little bit more natural, ear to ear. The back, just put in a ponytail, take it in two, some bobby pins, pin it up, take the ends and I bring it to the other side. That's how the back should look. That's it. From the title of this video, I already told you, it's quick, easy, period. You'll be fine. If as flat as you can, make it. Do your ponytail, use soft scrunchies so it doesn't break your hair. Water and a foamy mousse, flexi rods. Stay in place. To make the drying time go faster, I take my diffuser ends first. Yeah. Only because I want everything to stay more mushed together. Now you take Penny! I didn't wash her all the way, so she's a little bit nappy. And then you hook it in the back. Just stick mad bobby pins in there. Just stick bobby pins wherever you can so it can stay
secure.
Then I grab some hair from the weave. Broche. And I would just cut some of it to layer it so it could blend in with your curls. And I just take a little bit more hair, twist it a little bit. She's so cute. You can't go wrong. This was like 20 bucks. For real. Yeah. This for anybody who can't braid. This is so easy. Take out some hair. The hair can cover the track. And then this one, we're gonna twist. Don't mind my hair is dirty. I told you I haven't washed my hair in 3 months. Orange, shine gem, rat tail comb. And basically do whatever design you want. This hairstyle is perfect for the summer. I'll put it on both sides. And I kind of squeeze it together. You pinch and twist up. Pinch, twist as you go up. And grab hair. Little bits of hair. Make it tight. Doing it. Doing it. Doing it. Or if you want to impress yourself and see what skills you have. Please, anybody can do this. If you say you can't do this, I punch you in your face, like my dad says. I normally take 2, then take a bobby pin and I stick it straight in, going this way. Okay, after you're done twisting, flexi rod, layer it how you want to. Scrunchie or clip or something. In bands, you gather your hair, do it 1 time, and then you fluff it out, pull some curls if you want to. Remember, leave some hairs in the back to cover. Take some hair, not by where your part is, here. I use my Murray's beeswax. Look from the back so it'll be a little bit more flat. Okay, so this is how it looks when you fingers. Pin some of the hairs that's here so it can be flat. And now you should look like a poodle. Take some hair from here, the middle, on the wave bang. Just keep holding this ponytail tightly. Then I do a moyoyon. See what that looks like. Yeah. Please make sure the back of your head is on point. So this is my 5-minute flip over. Shorties, make sure that you check the back of your head before you go outside, because you're not about to come on this video and blame me for how the back of your head is looking, because I know some bitches, they will not tell you what the back of your head looks like, okay? So set your camera up, Twirl around, look at the back of your head, and just make sure that you look good. If you was feeling this video and you like the quick and easy hairstyles, you could go check out my other videos. You'll never have the same dusty bun ever again.